you ready to shred? Hey everybody, I'm Amy from BodyFit by Amy, inviting you to join me on our next fitness challenge, Shred. This is the middle of our 3-part Summer Fit series. It's summer, our goal is to show up and keep moving. We got it done with sweat, we got HIIT, we got cardio, we got our hearts pumping. Now we're gonna really work those muscles with Shred. In this fitness challenge, we will have new workouts, new formats, and don't worry, wherever you are in your fitness journey, I will have options for you. We're gonna focus on strengthening, toning, sculpting those muscles, while also getting the cardio and the mobility that we love. And if you really wanna take it to the next level, join us in the BodyFit Athletic Club. That is where you get direct access to me and to Vivian, our BodyFit dietitian. We have weekly live events, Q&As. We can help you on your personal journey. We have the Method Nutrition Plan, now available in Metric, and Vivian is cooking up a snack challenge for us for this Shred month. So much more, including a supportive community of bodyfitters from around the world. This fitness challenge is completely free to join. All you have to do is make sure you are subscribed to my YouTube channel and that you're on the email list so you can get your free weekly and monthly workout calendars. If you want to join us in the BodyFit Athletic Club, you can get half off your first month using the code SHRED or $100 off a yearly membership with the code BodyFit100. Now is the time. I know you got a lot going on this summer, but let's make it a goal to keep moving. Join me for Shred starting on Monday.
Now we are one step closer. We're all in this together. Put your hand in mine. Yeah, we are one step closer.
Are you ready? Let's do it.